Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to add a paragraph symbol comment in a PDF file using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. Open your PDF file and select this tools option. Now select this comment option. Now click on this sticky note option and put your sticky note anywhere. Now click right button for properties and here you will find this new paragraph option. Now you can change this color. Also you can change color opacity. Now select OK and see this new paragraph symbol inserted here. You can move it anywhere. Now click on this comment box, select this three dot option and select edit. Now type your text or paste comment. Now select post. You can add reply to these comments. Also you can add check mark and with three dot option you can make it accepted. Also you can add check mark. Yeah, this is. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.